Hello everyone, this is Faceless Ninja. Today, let's learn how to print Hello World in Go programming language. To print Hello World in Go, follow these steps. Open Code Editor. Create a Go file. Create a new file, for example, main.go on your environment. Add the code. Inside main.go, add the following code. Go package main import fmt func main. fmt.println hello world. Package main. This declares the package as main, which is required for executable programs in Go. Import FMT. This imports the FMT package, which provides functions for formatted I/O, including printing to the console. Func main. This defines the main function, which is the entry point of the program. fmtt.println hello world. Break. This calls the println function from the FMT package to print the string hello world to the console, followed by a new line character. Run the program. Open a terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where you saved main.go and execute the program using the go run command. Code go run main.go.